you guys? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Silver Monique, and I am back with another video. I know I've been gone for a while, but we right back at it. So today, as you guys can see from the title, we are making stacked jeans. And if you guys don't know what they are, which you should, they are a trending look right now. I'm gonna put some pictures right here so you guys can see what I'm talking about. I mean, many people are rocking these jeans, like, so I am back with another, bougie on a budget, baggy on a budget, because we getting things for cheap and still looking expensive, okay? So I went ahead and bought 2 pairs of jeans from Forever 21, and they had jeans for $5, y'all. $5. So I'm like, okay, this would be the perfect time to try this little experiment out, So I went ahead and got some black jeans. I'm gonna show you guys. Black jeans, skinnies. And these jeans were originally just, the $10 jeans, but they were on sale for $5. Why not? You can't beat it. So I got 2 pairs. I got 1 pair in my size, and then another pair like a size bigger. So I'm gonna go ahead and try these jeans on because I haven't tried them on already, and I'm just gonna see how they fit, how they look, and just to see where I want the stack to start on my legs. So here are the jeans. This is what it's looking like. I think when I do the stack, let me see, this is the bottom of the other pair of pants. So I'm going to put it in this way. It's gonna be something like this. So let's go ahead and do that. So when I tried the pants on, it was a little too tight at the bottom because I want to pull the pants up so that I want to pull them up at least like right here, because when I use the other pants, I don't want it to be like super tight right here. So I want that baggy look to start right here at least. So we're gonna try. All right, so I went ahead and cut the jeans. So I took about, let me see how many inches this is. So this is about 4.5. It's about 4.5 inches that I took off of the bottom. And I did that for both legs, of course. And so now we're going to move on to the next pair of jeans. And then for these jeans, I think I'm gonna use as much of these jeans as possible because I do want to get the wide look of the jeans. I'm finna cut it out at the crotch and then just use all of it and then just see how it looks. Again, I had cut the jeans at the crotch because you always want to start with as much fabric as you can because it's much easier to start with more fabric than to start with a little bit of fabric and having to add more fabric. Like, you can always take away when you have a lot of fabric. That's much easier. And so yeah, and then I had this left over and I'm putting this to the side because I used it later on. All right, so far you have the 2 pants legs of the jeans, the extra pair of jeans, as well as the jeans that you're going to be wearing. You should have 3 items. All right, so with me cutting the pants, this is how high my pants are now. All right, so go ahead and put these ones on, put the pants leg on. Right now, I'm just seeing how everything looks and feels before I actually start sewing. So again, it's tight right here. All right, so again, it's tight at this end, so I'm gonna go ahead and take off probably like 3 inches off of each pants leg because I don't want it to be super tight around my leg when I start to pull it up. And so I'm gonna just do that, and I think that's enough, and then I'm gonna go ahead and sew both pants together and y'all will see the finished product. All right, so I had went ahead and just cut the other pair of pants off camera. I figured you guys didn't have to see that part because it was self-explanatory. But right here, as you guys are looking at me sew, I had went ahead and put the two pair of pants together, and I am sewing them together at a zigzag stitch all the way around. And you want to be patient with this part because it does take time. You also want to use a zigzag stitch to keep that stretch as well. Alright you guys, so I am all done sewing the jeans together, and as I turn them out, let's see how it's looking. This is what it's looking like, so that's the part where I combine them. Let's go ahead and try these on and see what they are looking like. This is what the pants are looking like so far, but we are not quite done yet. To give it more of that ruffle look on the side, I figured that I need to go ahead and do that. And right here, I am showing you guys how I achieved that ruffle look on each side of my pants. So all I did was basically just did a straight stitch on both sides. Kind of like along the seams of each side of the pants leg. You also want to take your time with this part as well, because you have to like pull the other side of the pants back. Like this part was a little bit difficult, but it's not something that is impossible to do. So just take your time with this part and you'll be able to achieve the ruffle look on the side of the pants leg. And once I was done sewing, I went ahead and just pulled the top string and started pulling just to achieve that ruffle look. Just like with any other shirt or whatever that you want to get that ruffle look, you do the same with this part by pulling the top string and pulling the pants as you pull that top string, just like what I'm doing right now, and you will start to see the ruffle look come onto the pants. Again, you want to be very careful when you're pulling the string, because you don't want to pull too hard and end up breaking the string, because then you're just gonna have to start all over again. I ended up doing that a few times before I actually got to achieve this ruffle look. So just be careful and take it slow. And once you're done with one side, you want to go ahead and do the same thing for the other side, as well as for the other pants leg as well. Once I was done with the sides of the jeans, I went ahead and hemmed the bottom of the jeans because I wanted to give it that clean and professional look. But I know some people may not want to do this part. You don't have to do this part, it's optional. You can go for a much more rough edge look if you want. Alright, so this is what the pants are looking like so far. I'm loving how they are looking so far, but if I can go back and pick a larger pair of jeans, I would, because I do want the bottom to be like a little bit more bulky, but I'm feeling these. Then I went ahead and just tried on different types of shoes just to give y'all a better look at how they would look if you wanted to style them. But y'all let me know in the comment sections right now what y'all think. Let me know if y'all like this video, if y'all enjoyed watching it. Let me know if I nailed it or if I failed it. And I don't know if you guys can tell that I did use the extra that was left over from the pants as a top. Follow my social media pages if you want to see more pictures though. But if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe to this channel and make sure you turn on that post notification, as well as if you like this video, give it a thumbs up and show your girl some love. And that's it. Thank you guys for watching.